Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
The reason why I'm here is because I'm pursuing a bachelor degree in protected agriculture science and engineering at the Ankoy Agriculture University. I am not even worried about my health. I am worried about my life. This is how scary this thing is. This is how deadly this coronavirus is. I no longer care about how much my health is, but merely my life. American citizens want to leave China as fast as possible. We want to leave. Nobody wants to stay. We all want to leave because this is a death and life situation. It has gotten so bad that you don't have to be in contact with me for me to get the virus. It is so easy to catch a virus right now. It has gone to second mutations to show you how much it has been widespread. We want to go home, Jamaica. We don't want to stay in China. We don't want to stay in China. We're begging the Jamaican government, come together by whatever means. Send for your Jamaican people, send for your nationals, because it is not pretty, my Jamaican people. It is not pretty. It's a very scary situation. We are willing to go in isolation. We are willing to go through the proper quarantine processes, but nowhere is safer than Jamaica. We want to come home. Truth be told, reassurance and guidance cannot help us at this time because this is a death and life situation. The government is not the government is not proactive as though they have to be proactive. The truth be told, we are not Chinese, we are Jamaican citizens, and it is the government. It is the government that is supposed to look out for their citizens. It is the government that is supposed to take out their people out of such crisis.
Thought I'd just reach out to let you know that you're not only in our thoughts and prayers, but we are trying really hard to find the ways to best help and support you. We have not forgotten. We're not doing anything. We're doing our best on this side, but we're asking that you continue to support each other, you continue to follow official information, that you try to stay calm. I know it's tough, but reach out to each other, a conversation, a sharing of experience, a kind word, a little bit of advice shared among yourself who understand best what's happening on the ground. I'm sure you'll help each other. I've reached out to international partners to see what assistance could be provided, if any. Second, we, the government of Jamaica, we're assessing what's in our capacity to do for you. And third, we're also asking for your understanding that the arrangements for evacuations or transport, those have been special arrangements negotiated by countries with large, strong health systems and with their own airlift or national airlines, and they have negotiated their arrangements understanding that the official WHO guidance and the Chinese government guidance has been to reduce the risk of spread by reducing travel.
Viewers and subscribers, may I tell you that this coronavirus thing really scary. Like it really, I get really scary, yo. I am scared. May I tell you the truth, you see me? Because really and truly, it's just all me I hear about is just the coronavirus from the other day. May I tell you, viewers and subscribers, this thing really scary, you know. Viewers and subscribers, there's words out there, you know, not only on social media, but you know, there's words out there that persons that are said to be Jamaicans that are in China are begging to come home. Viewers and subscribers, I just presented a few pieces of audios put together to you, my viewers and subscribers, and these pieces of audios, you know, you can hear persons in these audios, you know. One is said to be someone that is within China explaining of the situation and asking or begging to come home to Jamaica, right? So that person is within China and wants to come back to Jamaica because of the coronavirus, and the other person is someone explaining the certain situation about evacuations and certain things. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, it seems as if there's somewhat of a step or steps need to be taken in order to get persons out of China that are not you know, persons that are born within China are Chinese citizens. You get what I'm saying to you? It seems as if there's some form of a step that has to be taken just to prevent the virus from spreading anywhere else throughout the world. Or, you see me? But viewers and subscribers, really and truly though, this is really scary. You see me? But let me know what you think about these pieces of audios that I put together for you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Una big up on yourself. You see it?